How would you like for your lettering to go from blah to charmingly whimsical? This is Olivia Niebler from the Alexandrienne channel, and I can help you do just that. If this sounds like something you would be interested in doing, keep watching. I've created a fun, whimsical method of lettering and artwork that I call Dangles. It was important to me to make for sure that this art form was easy to learn and a joy to do. I've got a book that is titled The Art of Drawing Dangles, Creating Decorative Letters and Art with Charms. If you would like to purchase my book, I posted a link below. I have a review of the book, which I will post the link to at the end of this video. Since my book was released, I've had several people email and ask me to go into more detail on the different sections in the book, either by doing more books, workbooks, or tutorials. I might end up doing them all, but I wanted to start with this series. So without further ado, let's get started on learning a bit more about my upcoming series. This is a free course that I've created just for all of you who would like to spice up your lettering. You don't need any special skills at all. No lettering training, no art training, nothing. You probably have everything you need already at home. This is a very easy to learn method that with just a little bit of practice, you'll be creating awesome projects in no time at all. In this series, you'll learn about types of lines, how to create letters, embellishments, patterns, dangles, charms, color, and more. Here is the list of supplies you'll need: pencils, paper, eraser, a black marker, and something to add the color, such as markers, paint, crayons, etc. And I do suggest that if you are using copy paper to practice, that you might want to get a hardback clipboard, as it will make it an easier process. You'll learn step-by-step instructions on how to create whimsical letters with and or without dangles on them. If you look at the first letter A, you'll notice it has only the outline. The second letter, I've added an embellishment, or if you prefer a charm, which is a star in the center, for balance as well as just for fun. On the third letter A, you'll see that I added patterns and dangles. And on the final letter, I colored it all in. I've wanted to include this image so you can see a progression from the beginning of a letter to the finished one. I am creating this series as we go along. It has not been created ahead of time, so there are possibilities that I might add and or change the videos if I find that it is needed, or if you request additions or changes in the comments section below. Just so you can have a better idea, I wanted to show you the progression of an entire word, starting from the outline going all the way through to the finished color version. You can see that on the first word, the letter E is about half as high as the rest of the letters. And if you look at the next word, you can see where I balanced that out by putting an embellishment below the letter E. So the weight looks pretty good. And again, on the next word, you can see the patterns. The next, you can see the dangles. And then on the final one, you can see where it's all colored in. That's where it comes to life. And something that might be worth mentioning is on most of my dangled words, it appears to be that the dangles are random links. Most of them usually aren't just random. There's a balancer of some sort. But on this one, I wanted to do something different and fun, so I made it at a pretty even upward slant, just for variety's sake. And if you're creating a phrase or something where you want to put something in the lower right hand corner, this might be a perfect solution. This is something that we'll talk about more on the video that has to deal with the dangles. Here are a few examples of what you can create once you're finished with this series. And again, the options are pretty limitless, but I wanted to show you a few. Some ideas for creating dangle words are for mindfulness, journaling pages, greeting cards, framed names, bookmarks, law of attraction words, scrapbooking, images, art therapy, and of course, just for fun. And that's it for the introduction. I thought you might like to see what I was pondering for the next how-to series with the dangles. These are easy, fun shapes, hearts, stars, swirls, triangles, and more. I'm also considering including some frames in this series. These would make great embellishments for the words that you're learning in this series. I hope you liked this video slideshow of what the upcoming series holds and the images of what will probably be in the next series. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button. And if you would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification down below to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And I would really like it if you would comment if there's anything that you would like to see in this series or the next, or if you just like to say hi. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this all the way through. This is Olivia from the Alexandrienne channel, and I hope you have a beautiful day. See you soon. Bye.